Video pala yan. Sa ano, yung online o walk-in po?
Okay, day 4 tayo ngayon. Sa training ng catering. So, dito yung pogi nating training. Tsaka ito yung ano natin na nag-a-assist dito. Good morning. Ito si Pal. Saka yung mga training nila dito. So yung mga dining dito. Yung dining nila ngayon. So mag-uumpisa na kaming magluluto ulit para sa lunch.
Morning, Chef. Welcome to the
Morning, Chef.
Morning, Chef. Sana hold up.
Sana all.
Thank you.
Yan po si Chef Pal.
Thank you, Chef.
Gagawa siya ng dumplings, chicken dumplings. Ito po si Chef Carl. Gagawa siya ng chapati. Yan, galing niya oh. Samosa. Chef, spring roll. Shanghai.
Spring roll lang, wala ka.
Spring roll, okay. Slider. Yan yung maliit na burger. Slider. Kasi tinawag na slider kasi pang-slide lang siya sa tiyan. Okay ba kayo dyan? Read the instruction
Before you start. Dasal ka muna.
Dasal mo na.
Lagyan na po, pinasisa mo yan. Tapos, lagyan na po.
We put the ingredients, mix together, mikos.
Ano pa, sir? Salt and pepper. Yung ano na yan? Wala na yan, no?
Wala na po. Sa dumpling po to, wala na po.
Ito lang, salt and pepper. Isa na yun, salt and pepper. Kasi bali lang, biling naman.
Hi Chef.
Hi, good morning. Thank you, chef.
Morning.
Nagawa po tayo ng dumpling
Dumpling,
sa group 1.
group 1. Ano pong country yan?
Dumplings.
Anong country yan, Chef?
Dumplings from
Russia?
Russia.
Okay.
So, inumold na namin. Lalagay namin sa tray.
Great.
Lalagay din ang flour.
Okay. May wonton wrapper ka, Chef? Okay.
Prepared by Carl.
Okay.
Inumold na namin sa...
Ayan, yung sa dumpling yan.
Dumpling.
So, prepare. Okay.
Sample, chef. Okay. Maybe use that, pork. Tinidor.
Pwede kong ganyan. Sipit. Ha?
Yun.
Thank you.
Yun. Lagyan mo konting tubig. Magkuha ka ng tubig. Yun.
Pwede kong shape na din card.
Okay.
Iba.
Yan ba, dumpling yan?
Oh.
Dumpling.
Pwede mo hindi ganito. Then, put in the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press, and then bend.
Okay. Siumay? Siumay po.
Chef, nakagay.
Do it.
Chef, good afternoon. This is prepared by Chef Meneses and Chef Leo with Chef
Batanes.
Batanes. Thank you, and with Chef Christian and also the chef
With the other chef.
with the other chef.
Then you can go and okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Thank you very much. So,
Roti. Okay.
okay. Galing.
Uy, lugro.
May itong ba kayo?
Hmm. Slider. Chef Randy. Ano po yung masasabi niyo, sir, sa chef, sa kinakain niyo, sa tikiman? Anong siumay yan?
Siomai.
Siumay po. Okay.
Siomai dumpling.
Sana all.
Sarap.
Quality yun, quality.
Quality. Okay. Ay. Okay, sarap, sir. Okay. Ang sayo, sir?
Quality,
Dumplings
quality.
quality. Okay.
Arban sauce. Chickpeas.
Chickpeas. Chole. Okay.
Chickpeas with
Tea.
yes, tea and some spices.
Ah, okay. Western Indian ba yan, chef?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, very good. Thank you very much.
Paner.
Tatlong uwat, isang ano, sa lutuan. Oo, sa lutuan. Dalawang araw. May uwak kanina, nakita mo? Tapos pakita mo.
Yes.
Nag-iisang soap ng
uwak.
legend na yan.
Legend.
Oh, wala na silang ibang soap kundi yan lang.
Yan lang, ano? Chef.
Pepper namin.
Ito ang
Princess ng ano, OSM.
Airtime.
Hindi may magpadok dyan kasi
Oo. Hindi siya ano, mahilig mag-sharon. Diyan, chef.
uy, natapos na.
Tapos na?
Gawin natin.
Oo. Yan na lang, last na yan.
Oh, empanada.
Panada. Ah, okay.
Samosa.
Ah, okay. Kumusta ang buhay?
Yan. Good man
Ah. Okay. Ano masabi mo yan, sir?
Legit.
Legit?
It's very well cooked and sauteed with
Yes.
Chef Cabalis.
Kabalis?
We continue what he did.
Okay.
So, in accordance with Chef Cook
Batanis?
Batanes,
Mm. Sauce. Okay.
May kulang pa po. Or tapos na lahat.
Subsea na lang yata.
Na lang po. So, bukas, anong oras tayo mga sir? At exactly 8 a.m. po. Hopefully, we can start na po here. So, ngayon, again, dyan po yung ngayon ha. Okay? Kumain po na po kayo. Then, mga gamit niyo po. Dito na siya kasi bawal na po tayo sa Taal. May big tayo doon. And then, for tomorrow, what to expect? So, in the morning, we're gonna do a lot of pastries. So, we have pasta burnt cheesecake, the cheesecake, okay? And finishing po for the pastries, for example, yung moist chocolate cake. Lahat po yun, tatapusin na natin bukas. With chocolate mousse, churros, basta masaya po bukas kasi pastry siya. Akalain ko madaming gagawin, pero tuloy-tuloy lang naman tayo. Tapos na. Now for tomorrow, please also expect that wala po masyadong tao sa building. So we will have our lunch break siguro by 11:45 na. Kasi wala po tayong kalaban. Okay? Then after that, 1 p.m., hataw na po tayo para makapagluto na po ng mga Indian food. Okay? Pag natapos niyo po ng maaga yung pastries, ang gagawin natin bukas is isasalang niyo na po yung mga beef dishes tsaka lamb. Para po, lumalambot na siya para sa hapon, puro chicken na lang po ang lulutuin ninyo. Okay? Now, for tomorrow, again, I think si Sir Cyrus will be here. I don't know kung ilan po ang visitors, but definitely, may bisita. And naka-awardan po kayo ng mga cup na kaya tinanong po yung mga nicknames po ninyo because your nicknames will be placed on the back of the cup, which is exclusive only for the ones who train here in OSM. Okay po. So hindi ko na po papatagalin para makauwi na po kayo at makabawi ng tulog dahil sumat.
Good afternoon. This is our day 4. Rotate. This is our day 4. I'm Randy. We prepare for today is palak paneer and vegetable samosa to my partner.
And also we prepare soft roll for the sliders.
So from scratch. Lahat yan. Pero yung queso, no, sir?
Greens.
Group 3 together with Chef Allen. Spring roll.
Gaji. Gaji, naan, bread. And rajma. Rajma is here. And siomai. Siomai thing.
Next call, group number 2, please.
Mayo.
They were from the group 2 and I said, today we prepare Undo, one, and Sabzi. And my partner is Gato. I am Leo. We prepare today roti. Yeah. Roti and ongal. And fish bowl. We made together with
Dito.